everybody, it's Stu and April. We're here at Sebago Lake State Park in campground number 206. Let me give you a little tour of this. Here's the van all set up. Just did some dishes. We got the bikes charging, and we're charging it off the solar, off the van. Got a little picnic table. Really nice big site. We got ourselves a nice big fire ring. Picked up some firewood from here in the local area. But right through this little path here, if you get site number 206, you are slap dab right next to one of the largest lakes in Maine. We've had little chipmunks running through our campsite. We've had ducks going to our campsite. There you have it. Sebago Lake. And down over that direction, they have a really big swimming area where you can swim. People are out here fishing and everything, so it's really nice. So if you're ever out here, make sure you come and check this place out. They have a lot of camping sites here. Just make sure you try to get one of these campsites on the outer loops, the outer rings, because anything on the inside is very packed in there very tightly. So like I said, this is campsite number 206. This is really nice because you don't have anybody on the side of you, just trees and water. So hope you enjoyed this brief little tour. I love their little campfires because they're all made of these big bricks, and they're designed so when the wind hits them, they burn really nice and good. So hopefully this has been pretty good for you. If so, hit the thumbs up and make sure you hit the subscribe button, and we shall see you on the next one. So till next time, y'all stay safe out there. Woke up this morning and found we have neighbors. Cute little neighbors. Just decided they would pull up and camp with us. Come on, troops, follow me.